Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can prevent members in your WhatsApp groups from editing group settings. This updated method is simple and effective, ensuring that only admins have control over these settings. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Once it's open, select the group for which you want to restrict members from editing the settings. Now, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group info page. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Group Permissions. Tap on it to access the Permissions menu. Here, you'll find various options for managing what members can do within the group. Now, locate the toggle for Edit Group Settings. By default, this option might be enabled, allowing all members to make changes to the group's name, icon, or description. To restrict this ability, simply toggle off Edit Group Settings. Once this is done, only admins will have permission to modify these settings. And that's it. You've successfully ensured that only admins can edit your WhatsApp group settings. A notification will appear in the group chat informing members that the admin has changed the permissions. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining order in larger groups or ensuring that important information remains unchanged. Remember, as an admin, you hold the power to manage these settings and create a more controlled environment for your group. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Stay tuned for more tutorials and updates. See you next time.